What up? We back.
Hi.
We got for Jim Jam in the garage today. We got a clean transmission. Apparently Tokyo took this and got it cleaned. The engine's gone. We gotta get rid of this cat litter. And the new engine's on the way right now with Tokyo. So also our board, we didn't update it yet, but it'll be updated today because we got new parts coming and we're gonna add them to the total. So first things first, I'm going to clean this up because it's gross. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cool. He's cool.
Do you like the bench seat?
Mm-hmm.
It's good for banging.
That's what I was just gonna say.
Here, do what you're best at. Wah wah.
Not this. I'm definitely not best at sweeping or cleaning.
We're still waiting for the boys with the engine and stuff, so we're gonna clean off the engine mounts. Yeah, I probably should do what you did, because now look at my... Oop, there it is! Here's the engine. You're good there? Bam, bam, bam. Look at that.
Wow.
That was hers versus mine right here. You're so good at cleaning.
It's because I'm an industrial mechanic, not because I'm a woman.
This is true. She's got her journeyman millwright.
I might have to come out the tire and then go back down again.
There we go.
We're done.
Another L33 engine. Aluminum 5.3. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Somewhere there anyways.
Well, at least we now have
Yeah, we
a
got
harness and an ECM to do a budget, more budget build.
No, that's garbage. So what is this? Is that a map sensor?
3-bar map sensor.
Oh nice, you got one.
Sure did.
And then that should be the Hall ECU, I believe.
That should be the wiring harness for the map sensor.
That's what it looks like.
For the Holly setup. Yep.
Nice, yep. You didn't screw around here.
No,
You know, people are going to tell you that fuel pump's not big enough now, though.
it's only a it's 340. It's good for 700 EFI.
And
So-
this is like it fits up to the stock tank, so
Apparently.
yes. Or we'll have to cut a hole in the stock tank, but it'll hold up there. And we get a return to a Terminator X.
Oh. Like, for $1,350 Canadian, why would you fuck around with that harness?
Exactly.
Stock
Yeah.
ECM.
And for that, you still need HB tuners and a wideband.
This comes with a wideband, comes with a screen.
Comes with amazing tuning software too.
$1,350 Canadian.
That's good.
And everything.
Yeah, it comes with a dash too. I forgot about that. A little dash.
3.5-inch dash.
Sick.
Comes with a wideband. So there's $250 that you don't need to spend on a gauge.
You can actually do all your tuning from this as well.
Yeah.
I bet you those aren't going to come with that impact gun. A Totoso. Fucking a Totoso.
Fucking a Totoso.
Not the kind of person to say a Totoso, but you know what? A Totoso. A fucking a Totoso.
There's a breaker bar right here.
It might be in a peasant. Yeah. I thought I might have to be a peasant again with an actual hand ratchet.
Tokyo's working on the flywheel here. We actually have this flywheel. It was local to us. It came with the adapter here for the converter as well. But this adapts to a 400 or a 350. So we get that. And we got Virginia updating our board because her writing's better than ours.
Not really.
You can even erase the top car one and rewrite it if you wanted.
What?
See where I put car up there and it's like not the same as your writing and yours looks way better? What? You didn't have to erase all of it.
I did.
Why?
Because now I get to start it over.
Well, the car was $2,500.
I was just being able to.
Yep.
You were getting too much of a...
This is a converter one of our subscribers sent us. I can't remember exactly who sent it, so huge shout out to you, Mr. Anonymous, but it was a nitrous converter, so we're just trying it. Worst case, we buy another converter. We got our flywheel mounted up and torqued. Gonna bolt the 350 to it. Virginia was kind enough to mark down all our prices over here. So here's our new total of everything we spent so far. As you can see, an LS swap isn't that cheap, but kind of cheap at the same time.
This is maple syrup money.
Maple syrup money. This is probably 4,000 ish US ish.
The Jim Jam's gonna give us the calculations.
I'm gonna convert that.
I'm gonna say like 4,200.
Do 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 do.
You're waiting.
do, do, do.
1 second.
42.
42, 45, 61.
Oh!
That's not bad though.
My internet math is fucking.
As of today.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to take you out?
So we have this trans on. We use the stock converter. It's still a little bit out of the way, so we'll have to get some spacers to suck it in a little bit. This one was actually too thick and it would hit the flex plate, so can't use that. But because it's gonna get a Turbo 400 anyways, this one can be good for now, good for mock-up. So maybe put these on. We put those on the, yes, you did put the price of these on the board.
I did already.
Yes. So we have a new total. But we'll put these on and then see if we can get this in here. There we go. Everyone gave us shit for not taking hoods off, so I finally got enough people in here to take the hood off.
How long is this bolt?
I don't know. Long enough. About an inch, I guess. Oh yeah. Not worried about the shit paint. Adds character. There we go.
Okay.
Even more daylight in here to work
All
with,
of the
too.
bolts. Right here.
No, my floor again.
We're good. We got kitties on it. Should I take the glove off?
Nope. Or we can take it off and replace the glove because it's probably full of
It's got some gunk.
trans fluid in it. I think whatever this is. Somebody tell me what that is connected to the transmission. Right? Yeah.
Take you.
Crank it. As soon as you do that, it gives us a little bit of free play, but it's still it's close on that heater box.
Yeah, that's where the coils will go too, so.
Unless I run a remote coil.
So we're just putting the engine mounts in now. Unfortunately, when you put the transmission where it's supposed to mount in the back of the car, the engine's too far forward and it hits everything. So we're actually going to try and utilize as much of the space in the front of this as we can and put the motor mounts kind of in the middle of these engine mounts. And they'll just build their own trans mount. Unlike my car where we were trying to...
Ratchet.
It's right there. Unlike in my Mustang where we were trying to have the engine as far back to the firewall as we could to get as much space in the front, this one we're going to try and utilize all the space in the front, leave some space at the back so we can build some downpipes back down behind the engine so we can go under the car with exhaust out the back instead of like out the bumper.
you were originally trying to stay back too, because you were trying to clear the hood with the high mount truck manifold, right?
Yes, that too. However,
Because I have an LS2 manifold.
we have a nice BTR intake manifold on this. Tokyo actually bought an LS2 manifold with rails and a throttle body. That's what we'll be using on this, so we're not using the truck manifold. That'll get added to the price after because we don't have it yet. Engine is in and mounted up. Transmission's kind of where it needs to be. Get some final adjustment on that next time. Just put away. You just gave me that evil look. Just putting away the crane. But lots of room. Lots of room. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Like I said, that's stage one. We've got our Holley Terminator X here. We've got our fuel system down here. So realistically, if we got our intake manifold on there, some accessories, some exhaust, put that fuel pump in the Terminator X, it should fire up NA. And the drive shaft's not long enough now, actually. I forgot about that.
Well,
Drive shaft's not long enough now because we had to move the trans forward. And that turbo 350 is junk anyways. Who knows what we'll do?
should we just put the junk turbo 400 from that's at change right now behind it?
I don't know, maybe we should consider just getting a turbo 400.
I should probably just pay James money.
But we can still build our turbo kit like this. So it's okay. Like we can start fabbing on the turbo kit and worry about that when the time comes to it. Thanks for watching the episode.
Peace easy, get heavy.